Welcome, I'm going to show you how to draw an Autobot Insignia from the Transformers. I'm basing this off of a grid of 4x4. The first thing to notice is that the insignia is symmetric. In order to accomplish this, we are going to focus on each square separately. A lot of these reference points are based off of the half mark, third mark, and quarter mark for each little square. It is best to focus on one square at a time. The goal is to draw the insignia as symmetric as possible. The best way to accomplish this is after you finish one square, do the other one on the opposite side. For example, when I finished the top left square, I immediately started work on the top right. An important distance to know is the distance between each piece of the insignia. This will show up often, and you will want to try and maintain this distance throughout the drawing. Here you can see me mark the reference points used to make these lines. Again, it requires the quarter mark, the half mark, and the third mark. Probably one of the toughest pieces to get right is the nose of the insignia. Again, notice how I try and maintain this space between each piece. This is important for getting the proportions right. This mark is actually the 6th mark. Even though it's not used frequently, it is used here. Much of this insignia is made up of straight lines. So, when I'm drawing straight lines for long length, I grip the pencil differently. I put the eraser in the nook of my thumb and index finger and lightly mark the paper. I keep my hand stiff, and to move the pencil, I rotate my hand at the wrist. If the line I want to draw needs to be parallel to a reference line, I find it easiest to use this grip. It also helps to focus on the reference line and to watch the line you're drawing in your peripheral. This technique ensures a straight, parallel line to your reference line. You'll notice that I skipped a step and went ahead and drew lines. That is because these are the hardest because they are drawn arbitrarily. I've saved this segment of me drawing these, which appears at the very end of this video. Like I mentioned before, these lines are the hardest part to draw of the insignia. Again, that is because they are drawn arbitrarily, so best of luck.